Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your iPhone supports NFC and enabling background tag reading in settings. This lets the phone read tags without a separate app. Once done, unlock the phone and open Control Center to check the NFC indicator or use the Shortcuts app to prepare an automation. Make sure the tag is clean and flat. Place it near the top edge or back center of the phone. This first step gets you into a scanning posture and primes the device for writing or reading immediately. Next, choose whether to read or write. To write, quick actions, open Shortcuts, pick Automation, tap NFC, scan the tag, then add actions triggered by that tag. For structured NDEF records, URLs, vCards, or text, use a dedicated NFC writer app. Select NDEF type, enter payload, and write. Once written, test by tapping the same area of the phone back to the tag. You should hear a confirmation and see the action or content display. If it fails, retry write with the tag repositioned. To finish, secure the tag where intended and run through the full trigger sequence to confirm reliability. Repeat the action multiple times to check consistency. If a tag isn't detected, toggle airplane mode briefly, then retry, and make sure background tag reading is still enabled. Sometimes phone cases or magnets interfere, so remove them. If writing errors persist, reformat the tag with your writer app or swap to a fresh NTag chip, because corrupt NDEF or lock tags cannot be rewritten.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.